Dali lang.
I can't give up.
Pwede sa bata yun.
Save my people.
Diablo.
It cannot be stopped.
No, I will succeed. Burn to ash, demon of Azwaku. The end of the world is nigh. The destruction of Azwaku will be repaid 1,000-fold. Let's see you survive. Unexpected, but non-critical. I've had enough of you. Nothing will stand in my way. Fatal ambition.
Puta na.
This is not over yet. I will burn you alive. I cannot let my efforts be in vain. How foolish.
Storming arrow.
Kwento mo sa bakal, Dol.
Not fear me. Not now.
Ay, nako, nakakainis. One try. Nakakainis ka naman, Dol.
That I sacrificed.
Yee! Ano yun? Ba't ang hina mo naman, Dol?
History is already
Babaralin
written.
kita eh.
You can stay here and die.
Mas nahirapan pa ako doon sa
Come
pangalawang
with us and help save the future.
dito. Medyo makati na yung Reign of Arrows ko eh.
I do know of a way to
Ano yun?
Let's just
Anong
start
bigay
talking
mo?
then. My friend here isn't exactly the
Utang
peacemaking
na
type.
loob, pang iyo tono. Inte. Kainis?
If only there is an ancient
So will you help us?
I suppose, but I will come to
It's settled then.
Pero madali lang ulitin ta. Pwede kong ulit-ulitin tong Dorian. Madali lang eh. Enter the time portal and town. Travel to Cruel. Difficulty. Uwi. Ay. Ano na dito? Wala ko mayroon dito. Ito mapanood yun sa'yo. Yung boss sa after. Iba pa yan eh. Yung boss dyan parang ano eh, King Kong. Enter the time portal in the town. Ito ba? Balik mo ako sa ano, original Earth. Balik mo ako sa timeline ni ano, ni Batman. Yung naging technique ko dyan, no, nakadikit lang ako sa kanya eh. Uy, ano yun? Umulit sa ano? Simula? Ano yun? Ba't umulit sa simula?
By the first one, you're alive. I'm glad to see you in the mill now. I would appreciate it if you could.
Umulit to. Nasa pinakasimula. Ay, bakit ayun na yun? Hanggang act 3 lang. Hanggang act 3 lang, dol. Amis nga. Ano na to? Higher difficulty na.